Hey everyone, just wanted to say hello. I'm doing something a little different tonight. I'm making a tomatillo sauce for some chicken that I'm going to throw on the grill in a few minutes. So I wanted to show you what tomatillos are and to take some of the maybe fear or uncertainty out of them. So if you've passed them by in the grocery store, they're kind of ugly little critters. They have a little membrane thing on them, a little husk, and you just take that off. And when you take that off, they're starchy and sticky. So I just throw them into a colander and then I wash them all off. They taste acidic and sour a little bit. So I tend to make, this is what I usually make with them when I use them. So I'm gonna wash all these off, and then once they're washed, I have on my tray tonight some onions that I've cut up. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have Anaheim and pasilla peppers, and I have a jalapeno. I'm gonna roast all these just the way you see them with the tomatillos as well on the sheet. The roasting, when you roast them, you don't have to cut the stems off or do anything. You just roast them the way they are. Roast them for about 30 to 35 minutes. When it comes out, just let it cool. Your house is going to smell delicious. Let them cool. Cut the tops off, the stems, and then you can take a spoon and get the seeds out of these guys. For the longer peppers, you can cut them down the side and then take the seeds out. And then with the jalapeno, if you like your sauces spicy, leave the seeds in, just cut the top off. If you like it less spicy, use a potato peeler. This is a great tip. And go on the inside of your jalapeno and just get rid of the seeds, and then use your jalapeno without the seeds. Then you just take all those ingredients when you've prepped them and you put them in your Cuisinart and pulse, and you're going to get your sauce. So your prep time is really nothing. Put them on a tray, put them in the oven. When they come out, let them cool maybe 10 or 15 minutes. Put them in the Cuisinart, good to go. And then you could use your sauce. I'm going to use it tonight for the top of my chicken. You can put anything else you want on top of it. I like to cut up cilantro and put that on top to add more flavor. Cut it up and have it like taco style, or use it for fish, or it's really good if you get a pork butt and put the sauce, put the pork butt in the sauce and let it cook for like 3 hours. It's delicious and your house will smell amazing. So these are our little friends, tomatillos. Let me know if you cook with them. I'd love to hear how it turns out. And if you have any questions, please message me. I'd love to get your messages. So I'm Janet with Here For You Health Coaching. Have a great night.